Okay, guys, now let's take a look at our WTI crude oil for this week, by the way. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button. You can also like and share if you find it helpful. So, we are going to start it with our analysis from monthly time frame down to our 1 hour time frame. So, stick to it till the end. Now, let's see it on our monthly time frame, by the way. If we are to zoom it out, we all can see that we are on an uptrend move. Now let me put our moving average. Let me use 10 period moving average. This is our 10 period moving average, right? So this we all can see this huge movement as our uptrend movement. So we can let's draw our trend line. This is actually an impulse move. We had a little bit of a correction on our monthly time frame, by the way. This was another impulse movement. We had a correction here. We had this huge impulse movement. If you notice something here, we had a pullback at this level. Once we had this impulse move, we had a pullback at this level here, right? Now our price has come back and give us a correction. This was an impulse move. We had a correction. We have another impulse move with correction here, another impulse move, and we've gotten another correction on our monthly time frame. And this correction actually came to this our key level. If you understand your trend line very well, especially an uptrend move, once we have a correction, it will come to touch that our previous level where we had the pullback. So now what are we expecting on our monthly time frame on our WTI crude oil? Definitely an uptrend move again on our monthly time frame. So if you want to actually take this WTI trade on the monthly time frame, then definitely we should actually look to go long on our WTI crude oil. So that is it on our monthly time frame. Let's see it now on our weekly time frame, by the way. So if you are to look at it weekly time frame, we all can see this impulse move, a correction, impulse move, correction. So this is actually an uptrend move. You all can see it. This was actually an uptrend move, and this was a key level we highlighted on our monthly time frame, by the way. So if you know, we highlighted this level as our monthly time frame. So once our price came in, it dropped, it broke above it. We all can see once our price broke above this key level, we saw a little bit of a pullback that came to test this area on our weekly time frame. Then our price kind of pushes up again on our weekly time frame. So that is it, by the way. So if you are not to see it, let's see this price is actually now ranging. This was if let's assume this price is ranging on our weekly time frame, we will take here first as our resistance level. This is actually our second resistance level. Now that our price has broken above it, now we can see that once our price comes to our resistance level, it's drop, it's come again, it's drop. So now it has come to this our lows, which we will be taking as our support level. What are we expecting again on our weekly time frame? A rally movement upward. We all can see that once the price came to this level, this which was red, we had a little bit of a green movement, then we had another red, we had another green, we had another red. So if you are to notice it on our daily time frame or 4 hour time frame, you will see that there was kind of a ranging movement around here. So definitely if we are to trade it like this, we would want to trade it as we see it, right? Our price is playing out. We will see that once our price has dropped to this level lows, we are expecting a green candlestick. We all can see red, we are see red, green. There was a red here, there was a green, there was a red here. We are expecting a green, and this green we should be having it this week again. So monthly time frame, we are expecting to go long, right? Weekly time frame, we are also expecting to go long, by the way. And if you are to trade it the way we see it like this, we want to also go long. So now let's see it on our daily time frame, by the way. So kind of a daily time frame, there was it was actually dropping around this level here. We all can see there was a drop around this level here. So once this price came to this our support level, which we've all be highlighted and be targeting, then we saw our price bounce up. It came to this level again, it bounced up. Now it has come to this level again. What do we expect? What are we expecting this week? A bullish move again on our WTI crude oil. So definitely, at least we are currently trading at 86.80. I think this way the market has closed, by the way, for today. So once the market open, we would want to rally, take our movement upward, and let's see if you can rally to 94. That should be about 74. Is it $75? This is currently about $86. So if it can rally up to about 94, yes, you are actually able to make a lot, right? So at least close to 76 or 769 points, or so whatever you want to call it. So we are expecting a rally movement next. Now see, the price came to this level, it's bounced up, it came to this level again, bounce up, and now it is at this level, and we are expecting a bounce up again on our WTI crude oil on daily time frame. Now to actually take this trade, to actually enter this trade, we will look at it from our 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Now see it on our 4-hour time frame. This was actually ranging within this area here. We saw it come to this area and it bounced up, came to this area and bounced up. Now this is actually a bearish move. So this price has actually dropped, right? So we expect it to drop a little bit more, just a little, come down a little bit, possibly a little bit to about 85.53. We are currently at 86.80, waiting to bounce up. So let's see if our price can drop to 85.50, then we're very much likely to take the buy on our 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we are still bearish. We would not want to enter the trade just like that. We would want to still wait and observe it on our 30 minutes and 1-hour time frame. Now let's see it on our 1-hour time frame. It's still the same thing with our 4-hour time frame. Still a bearish move. So this was a pullback level here. So now we are now on a drop, which is still bearish, by the way. So we would want to see it. We would very much likely see the price break below these lows here and continue bearish. But if you want to actually enter this trade, then go on your 30 minutes time frame. Like I said, once you see multiple breakout structure upward, then take this buy. So this was actually a multiple breakout structure, but it dropped, by the way, so it was not valid. So let's see if our price can give us multiple breakout structure upward again and break this ice. Once we have that huge rally movement upward, and it breaks above this ice, which is about 89.34, then I'll say enter your buy on our WTI crude oil. So that is the analysis for the week that we have. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.